In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase the WordPress memory limit in Hostinger step by step. If you're seeing errors like allowed memory size exhausted, experiencing plugin crashes, white screens, or slow performance inside your WordPress dashboard, increasing the PHP memory limit can often fix the issue instantly. Don't worry, this is beginner-friendly and only takes a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important line of code. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress and Hostinger tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Websites from the top menu. You'll see a list of your domains. Find the website where you want to increase the WordPress memory limit and click on Manage. Inside the Website Management area, scroll until you find File Manager and click on it. This opens your hosting file directory where all your WordPress files are stored. Now that you're inside File Manager, open the folder called public_HTML. This is the main root directory of your WordPress website. Inside this folder, look for a file named wp-config.php. This is one of the most important WordPress core configuration files, so make sure you edit only what I show you. Right-click on wp-config.php and choose Edit. The file will now open in the Hostinger code editor. Next, scroll down until you find the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing." It's very important that we add our code just above this line. Right above that line, add the following code exactly as I'm saying it. Define, open bracket, single quote, wp_memory_limit, single quote, comma, single quote, 256M, single quote, close bracket, semicolon. So the full line should read, define, comma, wp_memory_limit, comma, 256M. This increases your WordPress memory limit to 256 megabytes, which is more than enough for most websites, including those using page builders like Elementor or multiple plugins. After adding the code, click the Save button in the top right corner of the File Manager editor. Once saved, that's it for the configuration. Now open a new tab and refresh your website. You can also log into your WordPress dashboard and continue working. The new memory limit should now be applied. If you're still seeing memory errors after this, you may need to check your PHP settings inside Hostinger's PHP configuration section, but in most cases, updating the wp-config.php file solves the issue immediately. Just a quick reminder, always be careful when editing core WordPress files. If you're unsure, you can download a backup copy of wp-config.php before making changes, just in case you need to restore it. And that's how you increase the WordPress memory limit in Hostinger quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix your issue, go ahead and hit the like button so others can find this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress, hosting, and website tutorials coming every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.